Hello viewers. So yesterday I have started the set chapter from Dr. Khattar book. Today I will start again. Yesterday I have given some preliminary ideas from set chapter. Today I will start next part of that. That is Euler Venn diagram. Euler Venn diagram. Euler Venn diagram. Now to express the relationship among sets, we represent them pictorially by means of diagram. That is known as now pictorial pictorial representation. That means pictorial representation. Pictorial representation. Okay, pictorial representation of sets. That's called the diagram. Okay, pictorial representation, and it is known as Euler Venn diagram or simply Venn diagram. It is known as Euler Venn diagram or only Venn diagram. You understand that? Next, in Venn diagram, the universal set U is represented by a rectangular shape. Universal set U, this is the universal set. Universal set, and that is represented by like this, the rectangle shape. This is the universal set. Okay, and the rectangular region, this rectangular region, that is the universal set, and is its subset, namely all the sets is the subset of U. All the, if we take any set and that all the subset, rest of all the subsets are denoted by circle in between this rectangle. Okay, so it's closed region, circle or this is the closed region, denoted by closed region. Okay, next operation on set. Operation on set. First comes union. Now what is union? The union of two set A and B is written as A union B. This is a sign of union. This is the sign of union. Okay, it is A union B, and it is called as A union B. Okay, it means the set consisting of all the elements which are either in A or in B or in both. The elements consist either in A, element consist either in A or in B, okay, or in both A and B. Okay, thus A union B A union B is equal to those x such that x is belongs to A, this is the sign of belongs to, okay, or x is belongs to B. So clearly this can be represented by OR sign. This is OR, okay. If we write that A or B, that means A union B. Clearly x belongs to A union B, that's implying x belongs to A or x belongs to B. And suppose x doesn't belongs to A union B, that imply x doesn't belongs to A or x doesn't belongs to B. It's clear. Now for an example, let us took one example. A equal to A B C D and my B is equal to C D E F. So what will be my A union B? A union B is equal to A B, this is C, A B, next C. C present in both the set, so we will take C only one time. A B C, next D also present, D, next E, next F. So this is my A union B. Understand that? Now to represent A union B in Venn diagram or in diagram, what we have to do to represent A union B, okay, A intersection B, next A minus B, next B minus A. Okay, now we have to represent that. Now first we have to know about that what is A minus B, what is B minus A. I will clear that. Now for now we have to represent A union B and A intersection B here. Suppose this is the universal set U. This is the universal set U. We take two set. This is A and this is B. It's clear. This is A and this is B. So this portion, this shaded portion is A union B. Would you understand that? By diagram. Okay. Next, if we take this, this portion is my A intersection B. Do you understand? Next, A minus B. Okay. This is my A and this is my B. This portion, only this portion is called A minus B, or it can be denoted as or A intersection B complement. Okay, now you have not an idea about complement. Any complement of any set. Suppose I have given you some idea. What is A complement? Now we know universal set. Now A complement is universal set minus A. This is the A complement. You understand that? If we have to consider complement of any set, we have to subtract that set from the universal set. So the complement should become, okay. So here A complement is equal to U universal set minus A. Similarly, B complement means universal set minus B. That means, so what is A complement? Suppose this is a universal set, and if we take A, this is the A set, then what is A complement? This is A complement, this portion is A complement, okay. This is A complement. Similarly, if we take B, and that portion should be B complement, okay. So this that's it for the complement, complement, okay. So next, so this is the union of set. Next come intersection. Intersection means this sign, this is the intersection. Next, intersection what is intersection? Intersection of two set A and B can be written as A intersection B, okay, and can be read as A intersection B is the set consisting of all the common element of A and B. This is consisting all the common element of A and B, consisting of all the common element of A and B. Suppose let us take an example. So previous examples I have to take A, B, C, D. This is the set A, and this is my set B. C, D, E, F. Okay. Next, we have to find A intersection B. A intersection B. Intersection B is the common element. Now here common element is C and D. C and D. C and D both are common here. So A intersection B is my C and D. Do you understand that? This is my A intersection, and it can be denoted as this. This is my A intersection, the common portion. This is A and this is my B. The common portion of two sets is denoted by A intersection B. Clear? Next, so this is my A minus B. Next, A minus B. What is A minus B? A minus B. Suppose we take one set. A is equal to A, B, C, D. Okay. And B is another set. A, B. Now A minus B is what? We just, what is my A minus B? We just take away AB from here. That is C and D. This is my A minus B. Okay. So similarly, suppose we have a set B is equal to A, B, C, D, and A is equal to A and C, then B minus A is equal to, it's easy to you. What is B minus A? We take away AC. That B minus A is B, D. Okay, so this is my minus. Next, come to disjoint set. Disjoint set. Disjoint set. To set A and B is said to be disjoint if A intersection B is equal to phi. If A and B disjoint if A intersection B is equal to what happened? 5. Means there will be no common element between A and B. Let us take an example. Suppose A is equal to ABC and B is equal to XYZ. So here no common element. So the intersection is obviously 5. Okay. So we can say that this A and B are A and B are disjoint. Next, difference. Difference I have already told that difference. Difference of two set. Difference of two set. If A and B are two sets, then the difference should be denoted by A minus B. A minus B. And A minus B, the set builder form. X, those X such that X belongs to A but not, and X doesn't belongs to B. X belongs to A and X doesn't belongs to B. Okay. Similarly, B minus A, those X where X doesn't belongs to A and X belongs to B. Actually, let us take another example, another very good example. Suppose we take A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, then my A minus B, what is A minus B? A minus B is equal to 2, 4. 2, 4. Because why 2, 4? Because 1, 3, 5 is present here. Okay, of B also. Next, my B minus A. What is my B minus A? I will take away the common element which can be present in A and B both. So the B minus A is equal to 7 and 9. 7 and 9. Okay. In Venn diagram, this is A, this is B, and this is my B minus A. B minus A. Okay. Now, some note are here. There are some note. First is A minus B not equal to B minus A. Second, the sets A minus B and B minus A and A intersection B are disjoint set. A minus B, B minus A and A intersection B are disjoint set. Okay. Third, A minus B is a subset of A and B minus A is a subset of B. Fourth, A minus phi and A minus phi is equal to A and A minus A is equal to phi always. Okay. Next come to the symmetric difference of two set. Symmetric difference of two sets. The symmetric difference between A and B can be denoted as A, this sign, symmetric difference of B, and it can be written as A minus B union B minus A. That is the symmetric difference. Okay. Let us take one example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then we have already computed that A minus B is equal to 2, 4 and B minus A is equal to 7, 9. Then symmetric difference A symmetric difference B is equal to the union of these two sets. Union of these two sets means 2, 4, 7, 9. This is the symmetric difference of two sets. Now, if we draw the Venn diagram or diagrammatically, we have to write this is set A. This is my, suppose this is set A. This is A set, and this is my B set. Suppose this is my B set. Okay. So the symmetric difference is, this is the symmetric difference. This portion is the symmetric difference. Do you understand that? This portion is symmetric difference. Next, complement. Complement I have already given the idea, the complement of two set. Complement of set. If U is a universal set and A is subset of U, then the complement of A is the set which contains those elements of U which are not contained in A, and it is denoted by complement denoted by A dash or A C. Okay. Now, what is the set builder form? A complement is equal to X such that X belongs to U and X doesn't belongs to A. That is the set builder form. Okay. Now let us take one example. Let's take one example. Suppose my U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 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 dot. This is my U, and A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 dot dot dot. This is my A. So A complement should be 1, 3, 5, 7 dot dot dot. This is my A complement. Okay. And I have already given one drawing. I am again draw. This is my universal set. This is my set A. Okay. And this is A complement or A prime, the shaded portion, A complement. And this is my universal set. Okay. Now here also some note. First is that complement of universal set, or that is equal to phi. Okay. Complement of phi is equal to U. This is the first, this is the second. A set and union of its prime is equal to universal set. A set and intersection of its prime is equal to phi set. Understand that? So these are the these are some operations related to set. Now I will come to next video. I will make a next video for algebra of set. That means how many laws are there in set. That is idempotent laws, identity, associative law, distributive, De Morgan's law. Okay. So I will come what is cardinal number, Cartesian product we have to know. So uh, for that I will make a this separate video. Okay, till then please do keep watching and thank you.